We're going to pack a very, very fragile dish that has china flower petals, so it'll be very delicate. So we're starting with tissue, bubble, and then with packing paper. So with tissue, you're going to basically underneath tuck in very delicately the tissue underneath the flowers just to support it. Not a huge wad, but then the plate's already on a pad of tissue, so we're bringing the tissue and folding the tissue into the plate and underneath the delicate flowers, and we're building all the layers. So once that's supported, then the next layer of petals we are tucking underneath, and we're bringing in the tissue and building over. Sort of one layer at a time. So once the tissue is done, then we're going to be bringing in a layer of bubble. And then we'll have a layer of bubble to cushion everything. And from that layer of bubble, we are then going to do a layer of crushed paper. And then this all goes into a box. We're using a liquor box here, and then that box will go into a larger box.